Alright, so you can see the frame here. It's a wooden frame, and for the canvas you can see the solid wood, and top portion is the black color. I'm going to put the acrylic color here to paint the scenery. So it's going to be a very simple scenery. You can see the green colors, which is going to show the village in a distance area. Okay, just drawing the horizontal outlines here. All right. Okay, putting few strokes for the landscapes. You can see the strokes with the whole canvas. Okay, again putting the colors here. And putting the strokes of the same color for the landscape area. Okay, and if you want to see the trees in a far distance, those trees are going to be like the orange color. Okay, so just putting the outlines like this, 3 of them, and just drawing the pointy trees like this. You can see the pointy trees here. Okay, those are the pointy trees in a far distance, and putting the outlines here. You can take another soft brush just to make the variations of another color. So let's see, taking a little bit black color and just putting it like the hedges of the trees. You can see like this one. So this is how the details are done for those pointy trees. Then again I'm taking little bit black color, and you can see the hedges. Okay, that's the difference in the night painting. So everything looks dark and gloomy. Now I'm going to put a bigger sun in the sky, or if you like you can call it a moon. So something on top of the sky, and there's going to be the yellow color. When you put the color, try to make it as round as possible. Okay, for some part it mixes up with the canvas. And you can see the reflections on the water coming from far distance and coming to us here. So they're just falling on the water body, the reflections. There's the one part, and another part is going to be the reflections of the orange trees on the water. So that's why we're going to take again the little bit orange color and putting the reflections in an uneven surface to the water, just showing some patterns of the trees reflections here. and putting the colors in other areas just to make the canvas little bit more visible. Okay. And then put some dots to the night sky just to create the variations of the clouds. Okay. All right, so that's the drawing for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.